guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jordyn and I'm currently a nursing student at Marymount University. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing video of Birchbox, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So I haven't opened this yet, so we're just going to dive right in. This box is a little weird. This is also October month's box, and this is what it looks like. I'll put it closer so you guys can see. So they give you a little note card, and it says "Turn over a new leaf." It kind of has some like beauty hacks and different kinds of things. And the other side has just everything that's in the box with the full price items. So the first thing that I see is this hair shield. It's for hair protecting. It's by the brand Milu, I think. I'll show you guys. That's what it looks like. And also I'll leave all the links down below to the full products if you guys want to check those out. And then the next thing I see is this Well People Bio Correct. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Oh, it's a concealer, so for makeup. This is what that looks like. And a cute little tube. The next thing that I see is this Marcel BB cream, and I've actually heard really good things about this. It's for all skin types, and that's what that looks like. And then the next thing I see is this thing called Air Repair. It's a hydrating serum. It's pretty cool. That's what that looks like. And then the last thing in here is a liquid eyeliner. I used to use liquid eyeliner a long time ago. I'm gonna have to give this a try. It's precise, smudge proof, and it's in the shade black. And that's what that looks like. And I believe that's everything that's in this month's box. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a comment down below, and also hit that like button. And also, if you want to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.